Hi all, welcome back. In this video, I will be telling you about finally block. Like we have seen, there is a catch block and try block. In the same way, we have something known as the finally block. It's very easy to understand. There is no such hard and fast rule in this. What finally blocks do, like if you have a try block here and you have a catch block here. Okay, and you want that some code is really very important to us and we want it to be displayed at any how or at any cost. So what we can do after try and catch block, we can just write this finally and then write your code that you want that should be executed at any cost. That and finally block gives us 200% assurance that yes, don't worry, I will execute these lines or these code even if an exception or something appears. So this is the beauty of this finally block. So I will just give you a direct implementation on the IDE. Okay, so here is my code and we have seen that this was a simple. In the last video I have taught you that this is your try block and this is your catch block. Now you want, let's say, something that is very important, so you put that into the finally. Finally is a keyword and after this keyword you just have to open it, end it, and here just give the statement that you want. Let's say I just want to print system.out.println and I here want to just simply say that I am finally block. Just simple as that. Okay, so we have just given a simple statement. So now you can see despite there is error, we don't want that some part of the code should be missed and it is a very important part of the code. So we will just directly put that into the finally and you can see it will be executed here. So you can see index out of bound exception has been displayed. I am the finally block that has been displayed here. And simply your y simple value, it came out and the last execution part is also displayed. So this is how your simply finally keyword, or you can say your this block works in reality. One more beauty of this finally is that you can see here is a try and a catch block, but if you don't want, you can just skip this catch block. I will just erase it as of now and you can see still this finally block will execute because it is very important part of the computer. You can see here this error appeared because the catch was not there to catch, the catch block was not there to hold or to take the whatever error has appeared in the try block. But I know I wanted to make sure that this statement I am in the finally block, this has to be executed because this was a very important part of my computer program. So what I did, I put that into the finally block. So what happened, this executed and you can see here the value of y, this line simply system.out.println, this line didn't execute. Why didn't it execute? And you got only the output finally block. You can see here no such y is equals to, and whatever the value of y was 99, this output didn't come out. This y equals to 99, this didn't come out. Why this didn't come out? Because we can see the error was appearing here and the catch was not here to take the exceptions and to handle them. So the error appeared and the program stopped working. But I got, hey, finally was here and finally is the most respectable person in this program, so we have to execute whatever is written inside finally. So this you can see within finally whatever was written, it came out and it has to be displayed and it displayed, and whatever was out of finally we didn't care and we just move out of the program. But if I put catch here, so what will happen? Just let me, sorry, it was the wrong notation I put out here. Let's put out again catch here. Okay, I just have to do this. And yes, if I put catch here, now you can see my index out of bound exception will be displayed and value of y will be displayed because catch is here to take care of all the exceptions. He will see. And you can see it's done here. Very simple try, catch and finally blocks. They are very important for exceptions and some part of the code that is the most necessary to be executed, it will execute. So now we have another type of, if you are not interested in try and catch block, then we have another thing for you, that is a simple throw keyword. This is a throw keyword. What this throw keyword will do, if you have a divide by 0 exception, so you can see I have created a method that divide by 0. So here divide by 0 exception will be called, and within this you see throw has given us a message that in a new arithmetic exception trying to divide by 0. If you don't know what the exception is, then it would be quite tough for you because in the try and catch block I have shown you, if you don't know the exception, if you write just simply exception in try and catch, it was working perfectly. But here you can see a underline has been displayed, which means here is an error and what the error says, unhandled exception type. So we have to here at any cost tell what is the exception before we can use this throw keyword. And here you can see whatever I have written within this, it will be displaying, trying to divide by 0. Okay, so that has been displayed. Let's run it again and see this. So let me just open the console in a bigger manner. So you can see here exception in main thread, arithmetic exception has been there. So it throwed us the exception and the message that we have given us, trying to divide by 0. So this has been also displayed. So what does throw does? Throw just directly throws the message on the console and tells us, hey, this is the error that you should remove it. And the message I have displayed here, trying to divide by 0. As simple as that. So you can either use try or catch block, or you can use this throw keyword. It's up to you to how to handle your exceptions.